Hey guys, Tashay here with the Oily Amulet, and today we are going to go over how to use our beautiful Chakra essential oil roller bottles. Now let's go over what they actually are. So these Chakra roller bottles are 10 milliliters, but because they're filled with these gorgeous semi-precious stone chips, we're not going to be able to get 10 milliliters in here. So we're going to go with a 5 milliliter bottle recipe. Now, you're going to have different dilution rates for all of your essential oils, so I would highly recommend that you research all of that before you use these. But I'm just going to show you what I do to fill these bottles. Now, you can see they're filled with the semi-precious stone chips. This is actually rose quartz. It has a gorgeous bamboo roller bottle top. The lining of it for the screw cap is BPA-free plastic. And we have the gorgeous coordinating semi-precious stone roller ball in there. Isn't that beautiful? So let's set that to the side, and if you have one of these handy dandy keys, now is the time to use it. Might be offset a little bit. I'm trying to do this video at the same time and see around the camera. So I'm popping the top off, and I'm going to set that to the side. So the chips inside, we're going to go ahead and dump into a clean bowl. Now these chips are entirely sanitized, but I would recommend rinsing your stones, especially after you've been using the roller bottle for a while too, or when you first get it, because being in a glass bottle, there might be some residue after shipping, so I highly recommend rinsing them in some cold water, letting them sit out in the sun, or however you like to charge your stones. Okay, so we're going to be following a 5 milliliter recipe, even though this is a 10 milliliter bottle. To do that, I always look at my handy dandy dilution guide from Using Essential Oils Safely. It's in my little book right here, diluting in a 5 milliliter bottle. So I know that this blend that I have right here, my Special Oily Amulet Aphrodisiac blend, is actually a topical max of 4%. So I can use 4 drops, and I need 1 teaspoon of my carrier oil. So for my carrier oil, I'm going to use this 100% pure argan oil. And hopefully you also have a handy dandy funnel, because you really need one to be making your roller bottles. Alright, actually going to put the dropper to the side. Now this can get messy, so you want to make sure that you have, you know what, I am going to use this. And now, since I know that I have a 4% topical max dilution on this for a 5 milliliter bottle, that's in 1 teaspoon of carrier oil, I'm going to go ahead and do my 4 drops. It's a 4% on this. Whoop, okay. We've done a couple extra drops. It's okay. It'll be okay. All right. So now that we have our oil in here, you can see that it's about a third full right now. So I'm going to take my little, actually I'm going to give this a little extra oil, because I got an extra drop in there. So I'm just going to put a little extra in. And I will put the link below to these and to this blend, which I absolutely love. Now to put the stone chips back in the bottle. You're just going to have to use your hands and lovingly place them back in your bottle. Alright, so this is pretty much full. If you'd like to top it off, you can. But right now, I am going to call this good. Put my roller bottle top back on, and you can use your handy dandy universal key if you have one for your roller bottle. Okay, that's back on nice and snug. So right now, you're ready to go. I'm going to put my lid back on here. And why did I choose the rose quartz? This is a very thick blend. Oh, that glides super smooth. So why did I choose the rose quartz? Well, the rose quartz, the metaphysical properties, not only being part of the heart chakra, but rose quartz is great for love, which this is a aphrodisiac blend that I just put in here. So I'm kind of coordinating my blends with the chakras and the metaphysical properties of it. So rose quartz, love, gentleness, emotional healing, releasing stress, divinity, all of those beautiful things combined. Oh, it smells heavenly. I absolutely love it. I love it. So I hope that that answers some questions about how to use these. I would recommend starting with a 5 milliliter recipe. You can top it off from there if you want, but that is plenty for me. That'll last for a while. So I hope that you have fun and happy oiling. Check this Chakra essential oil roller bottle set out at theoilyamulet.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.